My name is Reina Hirose Horton. I'm a graduate of Hawaii Pacific University with a master's degree of teaching English to speakers of other languages. TESOL program was a great program for me because I could get a lot of hands-on experience with students from all around the world, and I also got to actually teach in front of the students, which made me gain confidence as a language teacher. And after graduating, I got a job offer as an English teacher, and now I'm actually teaching English classes. I'm also collaborating with other educators on a textbook geared towards teaching English to architecture students in Japan. I love living in Hawaii because I can try many different food here. The weather is always amazing, and I like riding bike around the town. My ultimate goal is to go back to Japan, take what I learned at HPU, and empower my students through language education. The TESOL program helped me achieve my dream, and now it's my turn to help others achieve theirs.